Did you know that we can send Outlook emails from Excel without using Excel VBA or Outlook VBA? Yes, we can achieve this just by using hyperlink. Without wasting much time, let's get started. Right, so there are two ways to handle this. One is to make this static or either by making it dynamic. So let's learn the first way. So go to insert, hyperlink. You need to navigate here to email address on the left hand corner. I already have few of them listed here, and I'm gonna type the email ID as simply you@gmail.com, as I'm gonna send those email. I'm gonna put the dummy email, and the subject would be something like hey. Okay, so as you can see, it automatically created the syntax for you, and the text to display it already showed like what you can change this to a friendly name, but I'm gonna keep this as it is, and I'm gonna click OK. So as you can see, it created a hyperlink for you, through which if I click, I should open up an email, and you can see your sender and the subject of your email, right? So there are other things to it. So we also need CC and body to it, which we can't do it in this specific method. We have to go to the dynamic methodology or through using Excel formula. So how do we do that? So the formula what we have is hyperlink is the formula, and the syntax is we need to have the link location and the friendly name. Friendly name is optional, so let's just stick on to the link location. So to do that, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna steal this specific thing which has come out from our earlier method. I'm gonna say hyperlink and paste this, and let's just wait and watch this formula. So it says mail to colon and followed by your email ID question mark subject equal to the subject what you want to have. So what gives me an idea is we can freeze the basic syntax which do not change. So what I'm gonna do is I'll just put quotes mail to colon in quotes, and this is the Gmail ID. So this can be dynamic, you can change whatever you want to, and plus and freeze this, and again these things won't change, still question mark subject equal to, and then just delete this off and then freeze this and then close the bracket. So if I click here, so let's change this for something so that we can see something new. I'll just change, so we did it. If I click here, so you can see we can excel@gmail.com, and we did it. So whatever you change the cell here, it automatically picks up and your email gets triggered similarly. But we could not find the CC or the body of the email in the static way where we saw in hyperlink. We had only two options. One is either you can enter your email ID and the subject, but there was no option to have the CC and the body. So the simple thing is we need to have this specific thing, and just say this. You can follow any order. It need not be you have to have two subject CC body. You can have it any place. I'll just say and within the quotes you need to say and CC. Make a note, and CC is the syntax, so do not get confused that since you already used the and% before this, you can ignore. So and CC is the syntax. Put this in quote, and what should be my CC is here. I'll freeze it, and again and body is the syntax, and then freeze this cell. Okay, I think I have all what I need. CC will be, let's say, you@gmail.com. Body would be first email. Let's check this out. Hope this works. No, damn, why didn't work? Right, okay, so I made a mistake here. It should not be only and CC, it should be and CC equal to, similarly and body equal to. right? Keeping my fingers crossed. I click on this. Yep, this time I got it. So as you can see, the two is wecanexcelgmail.com, subject is we did it, cc we had you at gmail.com, and then body is first email. You can try adding bcc, or you can try having the mode body, subject, and two. And please comment below if you have any questions on this, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.